Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that I can get notified each time I post a video. And if at any point in time you like what I'm doing or what I'm saying, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and let us get straight into today's video. For today's look, we're going to be doing the glowy makeup. After my makeup, I'm still going to be looking a bit glowy and not all matte. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve that, like the few things you can do that can help you achieve that. Take note of the fact that this look is not something that you might want to wear like in a very hot environment or where the place is very hot, because you're going to really sweat. So a very important step for your makeup routine or like your skin routine is moisturizing. Like moisturizing is so important. I used to neglect it a lot and my skin used to look dead. So recently I've been using Nivea Soft, this Nivea Soft. This is what I've been using to moisturize my skin for the past few days, and it has really helped the way my skin looks without makeup. Usually when I'm not wearing makeup, my skin looks dead, like I look pale and stuff, but I don't think I look so pale today. I'm looking a bit like my skin is already glowing somehow even before the whole makeup routine, and I've not moisturized today. So it works. It actually really works. You should always moisturize your skin with whatever moisturizer you have. Primer I'm using is Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is not a mattifying primer, and I'm purposely using this because this is for pores, like it reduces the appearance of pores on your skin. But this time around I'm using it to make my skin appear smoother. Like if you use a good primer, a pore erasing primer, and you use your foundation, it shows on your foundation, your skin will be smoother, especially if you have large pores. So that's why I'm using this primer. I don't have large pores, sure, but I want my skin to appear like smoother after I've applied the foundation. So that's why I'm using it. So you want to like press it in instead of rubbing it. You can still rub in some areas. For me, I don't have large pores, so I don't really need to, you know. So next up is my foundation. This is where I'm going to have a challenge, because usually I just go in with my Marykaytimewise foundation. That always works for me. But today I'm not going to be using this because this Marykaytimewise is matte, like really matte. So right now I'm going to have to mix different foundations. So I'm going to use this mod. This is the main one that I'm including in this makeup routine because this has a bit of glow. It's not mattifying at all. So this is what is going to help bring all these other ones back to life. So I'm going to use this mod and Marykaytimewise and Maybelline Fit Me. Guys, I do not like mixing foundations at all for myself. My undertone is so yellow, so most times all these things get to look pale. See, that looks so pale. So I'm going to use my Marykaytimewise foundation, but I'm not going to set it because I tried to use this mixture that I did. It's not giving me the shade that I want. So next I'm going to conceal with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. Before I blend my under eye, I'm going to go ahead and contour just a little. I don't want to give room for the product under my eye to crease, so I'm going to contour just a little, just small, you know, just to give that definition. And I'm using ColourPop concealer. ColourPop in dark 50. So I'm done with the basics, you know, foundation, highlighting and stuff. And you can see that my face is not looking so matte. Even though I use a mattifying foundation, that to show that the prepping of the skin really helped. Like the things I did before I used the foundation really helped. And again, I didn't set with powder, so that's why it's still like this. I'm going to go off camera and draw my eyebrows, and I'll be back to you guys. The weather just switched up on me like so fast. I just said let me draw my eyebrow and get back on camera, and all of a sudden the weather has changed. There's so much breeze that's closing all the windows. There's just one window open now, and I can't close it because of, you know, little light is coming in. I don't know if I can work with this light. I think I'll have to wait for it to like calm down before I continue this video.
One eternity later.
So it's time to finish up the rest of my face. All I did off camera was to fix my lashes, apply eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eyes, and then eyeliner. Yeah, and then I also fixed eyeliner. Then I used eyeshadow a bit to like just to contour my eyes. If you like to see how I do like eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eye and the little secrets that could also help, I would also post a video on that. So this is a blush palette I'm using. It's from Hushbeauty. I feel like blush is a very essential part of makeup. Like there's something it does that nothing else does. You know, it just brings back some kind of life. The theme for today is not doing too much, so I'm going to stop blushing there. I believe it's showing. Next up is highlighter. This is a very important step in our glow world. There's this highlighter I used and it was bomb, BH Cosmetics. Like it just illuminates your face. It gives you this, you know, it doesn't show that there's so much highlighter on your face, but it just makes you look all glowy. I don't have that, so I'm going to use Nuban Beauty. It's still good, it's still another good highlighter, so I'm going to use Nuban Beauty. But whenever I have to create this kind of look on myself, I think I'm going to buy that BH Cosmetics. So I'm just taking a bit of this color, and then I'm using circular motions. For my lips, I don't know what exactly to use, but I know that I don't want to go like all out. It's not about my lips today, it's not about any other thing. Okay, I think this is noise. I think this is nice. This is a lip gloss from Nuban Beauty. Last but definitely not the least is this glow spray. I'm going to spray my face with a glow spray. You can use any glow spray that you have and ignore the noise that you're hearing right now. But this glow spray I'm using is from Pro Cosmetics. Okay. So I'm going to go and do my hair and get back to you guys finally.
Exclusive from mp3bullets.com.